Video presentation from Department of Panchakarma, Sindhi Shant Vireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Haveri. This video is about applied Panchakarma in Krudrasi. Introduction. Krudrasi comes under 80 types of Nanatmaja Vata Vyadhis. Krudrasi is a disease caused by Prakupita Vata and Shula Pradhana Vyadhi affecting hip joint. Nirukti. Krudram api Satiso. The disease where the gait of the affected person resembles like the gait of a vulture. Krudram Mamsa Lolopa Manishaha Tamsayati Pidayati Nashayati Va. This is the bird which is fond of meat and it pierces its beak deep inside the meat, then draws it out forcefully. Exactly such type of pain occurs here. Paribhasha Spik Purva Kati Pushta Uru Jana Janga Padam Krama Krudrasi Stamba Ruktode Grunati Spandate Muhu. It originates from the Spik Pradesh and radiates downwards. Vata Dvata Kapha Tandra Gaurava Arocha Kanita. In kapha associated conditions, Tandra, Gaurava and Aruchi are present. Also, Mukha Praseka and Bhakta Dvesha are also seen. Pashni Pratyangulinam tu Kandara ya Anilartita Saktanakshepam Nigrunyat Grudrasiti Isa Smutaha. Vitiated Vata doshas afflicts Kandara where patient finds difficulty in extending the leg. Two Kandaras are one extending distally from Pashni to toes and other extending above from Pashni to Vitappa. Synonyms: Sringini, Randini and Radina. Krudrasi is of two types. The two types are Vataja and Vatakapaja type. Nidana Panchaka. Nidana. Classified into four groups. They are Aharaja, Viharaja, Agantuja and Anyayetu. Aharaja like Ardaki, Bisa and Arenu etc. Viharaja like Diva, Sapna and Vegadharana. Agantuja like Abhigata Dhetus. Anyayetus like Ama, Dhatukshaya, Doshakshaya and Rokatikarshana. Manasika Etus like Chinta, Shoka, Krodha, Bayadi Etus. Puroropa. According to Vijay Rakshita, they are mild pricking pain, mild radiation in lower extremities and heaviness in legs. Lakshana, Tuk, Toda, Mospandana, Stamba, Utshepana and Deya Pravakrata etc. Upashaya, Ahara, Goduma, Masha, Purana, Shali etc. Vihara, Abhyanga, Svedana, Tarpana, Basti etc. Anupashaya Ahara, Mudga, Kalaya, Yava etc. Vihara, Chankramana, Ati Vyavaya, Jagarana etc. Samprapti Ghataka. Dosha, Vata Dosha, Dosha, Rasa Raktadi Dhatus, Agni, Jataragni and Dhatvagni, Udbhavasthana Pakvashaya, Sancharasthana Rasayani, Adhisthana, Prushta, Katti and Spik, Strotas, Rasa Raktadi Strotas, Strota Dushti, Sanga and Margavaroda, Roga Marga Madhyama and Swabhava Chirakari. Sadhya Asadhyata. If Krudrasi is in strong person, Nava and Na Upadrava, it is Sadhya. If deeper dhatus are involved and in weak persons, it is Asadhya. Patya and Apatya. Patya Aharas are Anupamamsa, Navana etc. and Viharas are Snigdha Udvartana, Mrudushaya etc. Apatya Aharas are Udumbara, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya, Pradhana Rasa and Viharas are Shrama, Katina, Shaya, Yanagaman etc. Difference between Vataja and Vatakapaja type of Chikitsa. In Vataja Krudrasi Vatana Lomana Virechana Karma and Bhaya Snehana, and in Vatakapaja Krudrasi Kapavrata Vata Chikitsa, Ushna Virya Aushadha Prayoga and Rokshana Kriya. Sarva Vata Vikaranam, Tailanya Anyata Shrunu, Chatushprayoga Yapya Aishya, Balavarna Karanicha. As mentioned in Samprapti Vigatana, it not only involves Nidana Parivarjana but also restoration of dosha balance. For all Vata disorders, Taila is the best treatment in the form of Pana, Abhyanga, Nasya and Anuvasana according to Acharya Charaka. Vishesha Chikitsa. Antara Kandara Gulfam Sirabasti Agnikarmacha, Krudrasishu Prayanjita. In Krudrasi, Siravedar Agnikarma should be done in Antara Kandara Gulfa, that is, vein located in between tendon and ankle. Swasti Karma should also be administered. Isa Sutra according to different authors, Siraveda according to Sushruta, Agnikarma according to Vagbhata, Deepana and Pachana according to Angasena, Pachana and Shodhana Basti according to Chakradatta, Vamana and Virechana according to Bhava Prakasha, Sneha Pana and Unmardana according to Bela Samhita. According to Chakradatta, the formulations are Dashamula and Balachuna with Eranda Taila, decoction of Panchamula with Eranda Taila and Trirutruta, Rasnadi Gugulu, Trayodashanga Gugulu and Saindavadya Taila. According to Bhava Prakasha, Eranda Churna boiled with milk, decoction of Eranda Mula, Vilva, Tuati and Kantakari, and in Vata Kapaja Krudrasi, Gomutra plus Eranda Taila plus Pipali Churna is advised. Snehana. It can be done in two ways, that is internally and externally. External in the form of Abhyanga, Parisheka and Avagaha. If Krudras is due to Dhatukshaya Janya Nidhana, internal Snehana is beneficial. Svedana. Shoulder and thumb and Krudras is best treated by Svedana Chikitsa. Avagaha, Nadi, Pinda and Upanaha Sveda are beneficial in Vataja Krudrasi, and Valaka Sveda is better for Vata Kafaja Krudrasi. Mana. Specially preferred in Vata Kafaja Krudrasi. Virechana. Sneha Virechana of Mrudu nature relieves Vata vitiation very quickly and helps in controlling Krudrasi. Erenda Sneha along with milk is ideal. Basti. Niruha Basti. Erenda Muladi Niruha Basti and Dashamuladi Niruha Basti. Anuvasana Basti. Using Vatara Tailas like Bala Taila, Mulaka Taila, Shira Bala Taila and Nirgundi Taila. Applied Panchakarma in Krudrasi. In state of Samavata condition, start with Rukshana to attain Nirama followed by Snehana Karma, and in state of Vata Kafaja condition, start with Rukshana Karma. The Abhyanga, it relieves toughness, dryness, fatigue and numbness and increases the strength of feet. Snehana can also be given in the form of Kati Basti and Anuvasana Basti by various Tailas and Kashayas. Svedana. In Vataja Krudrasi, Snigdha Svedas like Valaka Sveda, Surna Pinda Sveda, Chincha Lavana Sveda, Chambira Pinda Sveda and Arkapatra Sveda. And in Vata Kafaja Krudrasi, Ruksha Svedas like Patrapinda Sveda, Kukutanda Sveda and Shashtikashari Pinda Sveda. Vamana. Angasena describes the importance of Vamana with a simile like just as the Gruta goes waste when poured into Avan with ashes, similarly without cleansing the body of its doshas through Vamana, administering Basti is of little use. Procedure of Vamana. Initially after administration of Pachana Aushadhis it should be carried out. After Vamana, when the Agni of person attains normalcy, one should do Basti Karma, that is in Utkishta Avastha. Sadhya Vamana with Eshtimad Fanta along with Vatana Vamana Dravyas to remove Avarana. Virechana. In conditions of Bahudosha Avastha, Upasthita Dosha and Balavan Rogi, classical Virechana is done. In case of Sukumara Rogi, Nitya Virechana is done. And Sadhya Virechana is done in Sukumara Rogi attaining Koshta Shuddhi. Virechana is done mainly for the correction of Agni and to treat the Ama condition. For example, constipation in Vata predominant disease, Erenda Tail is given for the relief, and constipation in Kapha predominant disease is relieved by the Nishota Churna plus Shunti Churna plus Madhu. Other dravyas used for Virechana are Haritaki Churna and Gandharvasadi Kashaya. Basti. Matra Basti is given in the conditions of Bhara, Vyayama, Adva, Stripashita, etc. Karma Basti is given in the conditions of Gambhira Roga with Kupita Vata and Balavan Rogi. Kala Basti is given in the conditions of Madhyama Bala Rogi with Pitta Samsarga and Madhyama Marga Roga. Yoga Basti is given in the conditions of Kapha Samshrishta Vata and Alpavata condition. And Kshira Vaitana Basti is given in the conditions of Katishula, Amavata, Urapushtushula, etc. Different conditions of Krudrasi. Kevala Vataja and Dhatukshaya condition. Shamana or Brahmana Basti containing more number of Sneha Bastis can be adopted. They are Erenda Muladi Yapana Basti, Madhugruta Yapana Basti, Mustadi Yapana Basti and Bala Yapana Basti. And in Kafana Banda Avastha Shodhana Basti, Shara Basti, Dvipancha Muladi Basti can be administered. Raktamokshana. It can cure the diseases when other treatment fails to manage. It is helpful to eliminate doshas from Shaka, and in this therapy the advantage is there is no need to bring the doshas in court. Various sides of Raktamokshana are shown in this picture. Mode of action of Raktamokshana. Kandara is Upadhatu of Rakta and Kandara is Doshi in Rudrasi. Rudrasi is due to Vyanavata Prakopa and Vyanavata is related to blood circulation. Rudrasi Vata is Raktavata. Agni Karma is one of the Upakrama in Rudrasi in which there is non-recurrence of diseases and there is success in diseases which are incurable by drugs. In conditions of Stamba and Pitta Samshrishta, Raktamokshana is done and Agni Karma is done in cases of Gaurava, Rukka and Toda. Mechanism of action of Agni Karma. It works by counteracting the Vata and Kapha doshas through its Ushna, Sukshma, Tikshna and Ashikvari qualities. Shamana Chikitsa in Rudrasi. The yogas are Rasa and Vatti, Vishatinduka Vati, Vata Vidvamsa Rasa and Bruhat Vata Chintamani Rasa. Churna, Narasimha Churna, Taila for external application, Narayana Taila and Vishagarbha Taila, and for internal use, Rasona Taila and Dhanvantari Taila. Gulu, Yoga Raja Gugulu, Simhanada Gugulu, Panchamrita Loha Gugulu, Trayodashanga Gugulu, Kvata, Maharasnadi Kvata, Dashamula Kvata, Rasna Saptaka Kvata, Savacharadi Kvata, and other medicines are Balarishta, Gugulu Tikta Kaguta, and Ashuna Paka. Differential diagnosis. ಆಂಕಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಡಲೈಟಿಸ್, ಕಂಜ, ಪಂಗು, ಕಳ್ಳಿ, ಗುರುಸ್ತಂಭ, ಕಟಿಶೂಲ, ಪಕ್ಷಾಘಾತ, ವಾತರಕ್ತ, ಪೃಷ್ಠಶೂಲ, ಅಸ್ಥಿಮಜ್ಜಾಘಾತವಾತ, ಸಂಧಿಗತವಾತ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್: ಶೋಥಾಹಾರ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ, ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಶೋಧನ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ, ವೇದನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾತಶಮನ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ. ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿವ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್: ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ದಿನಚರ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಋತುಚರ್ಯ, ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡಯಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.